Our sleep is very important to us, so we decided to do something about it and redesign every aspect of how beds and mattresses are made and function. Where Beluga comes from is that we're trying to utilize modern design and technology to produce beds that you have full control, so that you can customize it any way you wish. The air cell suspension system is very unique because it allows you to control its firmness, and it stays as new throughout the lifespan of the bed. It acts like a spring, but it's very soft, and it yields itself around you rather than resist you. Our climate control works by using ambient air already in your room, which we then are able to either heat or let pass through to, in the summertime, ventilate it to keep you cool, and in the wintertime to actually warm the bed so it's not chilled when you come to use it. We've incorporated a vibro massage that's pressure point rather than a bed being vibrated. It's directly placed in vibration sensors beneath specific pressure points in your body. The Curtis light was developed to help you navigate your way in the dark without disturbing your partner. It automatically comes on, and we use an external wireless sensor that allows the light to come on for a certain amount of time to help guide you to and from your bed. We also have a variety of colors that you can choose of what ambient lighting you'd like when they come on. Anti-snoring system we developed because it's just one of the most disruptive experiences you have with a partner. We used our very specialized air suspension system to change the angle at which you sleep when snoring is monitored. We have a built-in sensor within the mattress that is specifically tuned to pick up your frequency of sound when you start snoring. It will change the tilt of your head and your neck for both partners separately. The idea of technology in a bedroom is a challenge, and we felt that it was very important to keep the ambience of a bedroom technology-free. And everything we design is designed to be invisible and unseen. Everything you'd normally have in your room to create the ambience you want is the most important thing. Our control of the bed is either through an app, or you can have our own touchscreen remote control if you wish to use that. Beyond that, we have obviously the sleep monitoring system, which can interact with your existing sleep monitoring technology as a wearable or as something you have on your smartphone or tablet. With the help of the Indiegogo community, we'd like the opportunity to bring Beluga beds to the mass market. We already have manufacturing in place, and we're ready to take orders for any size of bed for any continent worldwide.
I came back again last night. I couldn't help myself.
As soon as she arrived, all she wanted was to hit the bed. She loved it.
It was the whole experience. Nothing else makes me feel that way.
I was good, so good. All she could say were the words, soft and fresh. She'll definitely be back.
I finally found the perfect sheets. They're made of bamboo charcoal lyocell. So what's the big deal behind this fabric? It's the nanotechnology behind it. First, organic bamboo is burnt at 800 degrees Celsius until it's reduced to charcoal. The charcoal is then ground and filtered into a nano-sized powder to be added to the fabrication process. The bamboo lyocell fabrication process uses an organic solution to dissolve raw bamboo and extract the fiber. The solution is recycled and reused up to 200 times in a closed-loop system, which saves tons of water. Also, just 1 gram of bamboo charcoal powder can cover a surface area of 600 square meters because it contains millions of tiny gaps in its structure. So now that you know the science behind it, what's the benefit of using it to make bed sheets? First, it has excellent deodorizing ability. The countless tiny holes in the charcoal fiber act like a magnet to absorb odors, bacteria, and sweat. Your sheets stay fresh, and you don't have to wash them as often. Second, bamboo charcoal lyocell fabric is very breathable and dries fast, up to 60% faster than cotton, to keep you cool and comfortable, even on the hottest days. Third, it's incredibly soft. It feels like I'm sleeping on clouds. And it's also super smooth on my hair and skin. My quest for the perfect sheets is over.
Are you gonna be around this week?
Maybe another few days.
So here's the story. I'm an avid camper, camping on the beach, camping in the forest, camping by the river, camping at music festivals, camping in a field, nature camping, side of the road camping, the beers, the fires, the friends. I love camping. But there was one problem: air mattresses. The more I camped, the more I hated them. They're not comfortable, they're not good for your back, they don't keep you warm, they take up all your floor space, they're not good for sharing. But the worst part, the 6-hour lead. Don't get it. Shut up! So one night, on a surf trip on the west coast, I was sitting at the fire, not looking forward to my leaky air mattress. And I started thinking, what else can I do? I could get a self-inflatable. They're typically for hikers, not very comfortable. But foam. Foam is good. It never leaks. Your bed at home is made of foam. But they're just too big. And speed is vacuum packed. And so, I invented Compressed. Compressed is a vacuum packable foam bed for camping. It's super comfortable, will never pop, and it charges your phone. It all starts with the right foam. We've chosen the perfect density for a comfort that you will love. The true innovation behind the compressed system is the compressed vacuum pump. The power of a shop vac to the palm of your hand. The best part, non-existent setup. We've been working on Compressed for over 2 years. We've taken apart vacuum food savers, air compressors, dust busters, and some very expensive vacuum cleaners. We've experimented with foams, fabrics, silk screening, batteries, and 3D printed parts. We've designed, tested, and iterated. Over 70 people have slept on Compressed. They're always amazed by the comfort. We've already established relationships with 5 manufacturers. We teamed up with a supply chain management company for logistics and quality control. This year, we lowered our goal on Kickstarter by changing some of our manufacturing processes. How do we do this? Well, 3D printing actually makes a lot of sense for smaller production runs. So we're buying some 3D printers to make our plastic parts. And that's where you come in. Every backer helps bring Compressed one step closer to reality. So support this project on Kickstarter, and in turn, you will be comfortably supported by Compressed.
We all have a bedtime ritual. For most of us, it's an effort for clearer, healthier skin. But then we thought about what happens afterwards. Why are we laying our fresh faces onto a pillowcase that hasn't been washed in days? It turns out, the average pillowcase is a breeding ground for bacteria. In fact, studies have shown that the bacteria found on pillowcases is no different from that on a toilet. This bacteria builds up over time and can be harmful to your skin and overall well-being. Dermatologists recommend washing your pillowcase every 2 or 3 days, but who has time for that? We sure don't, and we don't know anyone who does. Introducing the Soulbond pillowcase. Soulbond provides you with a clean sleeping surface each and every night. Here's how it works. Soulbond uses pure natural silver to prevent bacterial growth on your pillowcase. Advanced technology now allows us to weave silver-coated thread into our fabric. These silver threads are up to 99% effective in controlling bacteria on your entire pillowcase. The average pillowcase continues to accumulate bacteria over time. Soulbond shows a 99% reduction in pathogens within the first hour and continues to prevent bacterial growth night after night. Let's take it back to high school chemistry. Silver carries a positive charge and bacteria is negative. The silver is attracted to the bacteria, breaks its cell wall, and the bacteria is destroyed before it has a chance to reproduce. Silver occurs naturally in the earth, and it's been used for centuries as a purifying agent. Today, this technology is used by healthcare facilities and even NASA for its antibacterial properties. No harsh chemicals, no nanotechnology. Those were our guidelines. We've partnered with an American-based antimicrobial technology company that uses natural silver to prevent bacterial growth on textiles. Their proprietary process completely covers advanced fibers with silver while allowing them to remain extremely soft, flexible, and comfortable. Similar products use harsh chemical treatments and their antibacterial effects weaken over time. But because the silver is woven right into our fabric, it will not wash out or degrade in strength. Even after 200 washes, our pillowcase will be just as effective as day one. But a pillowcase isn't much good if it's not comfortable. That's why we combined our technology with long staple Supima cotton. 100% of this cotton is grown in the US and it's among the softest, most durable cotton in the world. With holistic skincare and overall well-being in mind, we've created a pillowcase that's part of the solution, not the problem. We want to bring textile innovations to the bedroom and believe that Soulbond is a product that everyone can benefit from. The average pillowcase is swarming with bacteria, and Soulbond keeps bacteria in check. No more sleeping on a dirty pillowcase.
We're a team of engineers and designers. We believe the fabric you rest on should be more than just an afterthought. We know from experience what goes into manufacturing this product. We just need your support to make it happen.
Thanks for watching our video.